Question is a mixture of 2.3 gram formic acid and 4.5 gram oxalic acid is treated with concentrated H2SO4. The evolved gaseous mixture is passed through KOH pellets. Weight of the remaining product at STP will be. So the reaction took place is formic acid with oxalic acid is treated with, and oxalic acid both are treated with H2SO4. So HCOH is treated with H2SO4 will form CO plus H2O, and when COOH whole twice, that is oxalic acid, is treated with H2SO4, it will form CO plus CO2 plus H2O. So when you will form these equations, now we'll find the moles of HCOH and moles of COH whole twice. Concentrated H2SO4 is a strong dehydrating agent. So now we can find the moles of HCOH and COH whole twice. The moles of HCOH will be 2.3 divided by 46. So it will be 0.05 moles, and for COH whole twice too, similar will be 2.3 divided by 46, that will be equal to 0.05 moles. Now from both of the reactions, we found that CO and CO2 are formed. Number of CO formed will be CO formed when HCOH is reacted with H2SO4 and COH whole twice is reacted with H2SO4. So both will form 0.05 and 0.05 amount of CO. So total amount of CO produced will be 0.1 mole, and total amount of CO2 formed will be 0.05 mole only, because it is formed when COH whole twice is, that is oxalic acid, is treated with H2SO4. Now KOH pellets are also there, so KOH pellets will absorb all the CO2 and H2O is absorbed by H2SO4. So only CO is remaining as the product, and the weight of remaining product, that is weight of CO, will be 0.1 mole into 228. So it will be 2.8 gram. That is option number 3.